Good afternoon, friend. Today's my topic is a love marriage is a good or arranged marriage is a good. Okay, so we are talking about arranged marriage. Arranged marriage is a marriage where the two people cooperate with each other and family member come and talk with their family, and then marriage will happen. This is the procedure of arranged marriage. It means a partnership with two people because by culturally, by castigally, and so this type of a phenomena work in arranged marriage, and we see the kundalis in many culture kundalis and many things. We'll see each other families and family members introduce this family and introduce this family, and these all rituals will happen in the arranged marriage, and a lot of people can participate in the arranged marriage. But and the other is a love marriage. Love marriage is a very adventurous game for the two people because love marriage have a two people two soul where they love each other before the marriage, and they know each other's, they spend time with each other's for a long time, understand each other's, understand their needs. After that, they talk with their family member, and if their family will agree, then marriage will happen. Otherwise, some of case the family is not agreed because some type of things will become hindrance in their way, like caste, religious, and rutba. This is type of a level like middle class, higher class. The class also be a very factor which is also a hindrance in the marriage. So love marriage is totally a very good concept according to the modern world. The love marriage always very successful because the love marriage is by itself, because if you are love someone, then you understand the need of her or him. So love marriage is always a good concept for living with any people. But if you are talking about the arranged marriage, the security in the arranged marriage is very high, but in the love marriage the security is a very nil. So our society accept the procedure of arranged marriage because in the arranged marriage you are doing marriage in front of your family member, in front of your relatives, in front of your all the people who you respect. So this is the very secure process which is happening in our country. So I think the arranged marriage at this times in this era, like we can say Kali Yuga. So in the Kali Yuga, the arranged marriage is very good because of that, because the commitment of two family members, and in the love marriage only commitment with two partners, and the commitment will be the commitment generate from our thought process, and our thought process will change according to time, according to environment. So I think the commitment will only two peoples will not handle the all situation in upcoming times. 90% cases is coming in the courts is the like love marriage. In the arranged marriage cases, the commitment between two family, like their parents always stand in their dark era, and their relatives also be support them, and their neighbors also be support them, and their whole society support them, because the whole society is invited in the barat in the arranged marriage. And we are talking about the love marriage. In the love marriage, we can say the love marriage have no clue about the relationship foundation. The bond of relationships only understand by the people who love each other, and other family member not understand what is the love. They think that this is just a coincidence and a fluctuation, this type of things. So I think love marriage in our culture is not acceptable because the society never accept it. If you are loving some other caste people, the same caste people, then society will accept you. Otherwise, if you are different caste or religious, society never accept you. And this thought is always a very unique and very clear. People not understand how to explain themselves in front of the people when they understand, because their partner is a very honest with him. But in the love marriage, most of cases the family not supported, relative not supported, and the society also be not supporting to them, because the procedure of marriage is a very conceptual in the society. They talking with they believe in the arranged marriage, because arranged marriage is happening in the presence of big people, senior people of the family member, and some respected relatives, which always produce this type of a program in the arranged marriage. So the arranged marriage is a very different level, and the love marriage is a very different level, and the two people love each other, and if their commitment is weak, trust me, the marriage will not work in the future. In arranged marriage, if you are in the arranged marriage is a fantastic way to understand the society values. In the love marriage, the expectations were very high. In the love marriage, the expectation were very high between two couples. In the arranged marriage, the people are both independent because they think like that, okay, it's my fortune, it's my blah blah whatever. So the arranged marriage is a different thing, and love marriage is a different thing. So we should think about it that the most benefit in our society in the arranged marriage, because always in the love marriage parents not supporting it. if the girls is a not same caste, if the boys are not same caste, the parents always thinking that it is a not good, because not for like this girl is a bad, not because the belief system in the mind of parents is a mix up by society, mix up by their influencing thoughts, which is gives by the senior citizens, because the same caste is a good caste and girls will be a very good, boy will be a very good. So this type of a foundation, will come out their thought process. So I think that is the main reasons they are not supporting the love marriage. Then we are talking about arranged marriage. Arranged marriage have a lot of opportunity, because arranged marriage, first of all, the parents find out the girl. After that, the number comes of relatives. After that, some maybe near close friends, and after that, your number will become the last. Then you find out this is the girl, you like it or not. Your approval is needed in the last. In the love marriage, your approval is the first. Your approval always come the first, and others people come the last. So sometimes psychologically, if you are thinking that people never want to be come the last in the sense of approval, because I always even think, why not you are asking first to me? So this type of things will come in our society, in our culture, in the human behavior. This type of things will happening in day by day, we can see around us. So according to me, the love and arranged marriage both have benefits, both have merits and demerits. But in our society, most successful is arranged marriage, because our youth is not well educated, because they are just good degree holder, they have a good marks, but they are not practical. If you are doing any love to any girl, then you should be very practical. If you are not practical, you just attract with any girl. You are doing something mistake. You should think about it. That love is not everything. Love is just a attraction. You can love to anything, but you should have a responsibility in coming time. You should follow the responsibility. In the future, you will decide how to survive the life. That is the main motive, because life is not the joke for 6 months or 1 or 2 days. Life is the long route to 60 to 70 to 100 years. This is the process. And I'm not saying you are thinking about the futures and making plans. But you should capable to handle any responsibility, any task which is coming in your way when you are doing any this type of adventure in your life, like love marriage. So love marriage is a one way, because no one will help you. And in the arranged marriage, the family of girls and the family of boys always supporting each other. So this is the concept in the love marriage. In the arranged marriage. So in era, I hope both marriage will successful in upcoming time. But according to my point of view, towards the society, we can see the arranged marriage is a successful marriage better than to love marriage. Thank you. Jai Hind.